Yeah, you're saying it. Okay.
My name is Moses.
You just tell us what the system. You know what the system?
My name is Moses. I'm going to teach you about motors. These motors, you can use two motors. This is called a breadboard, and this is a switch which is used to turn on these motors, and these wires are connecting to the breadboard, and this is the power source. The power source is where the power goes to the breadboard, and all these wires can get power. So when I switch on, you can see there is a light. You can see it shows that the motors are on. Let me switch off. This breadboard has positive and negative. Even these cells have positive and negative. When you see plus stands for positive, and minus stands for negative. Even the breadboard has them, you can see them. This is the negative, and this is the positive. Positive is the one which has much power. So when I switch on, let me show you. This is the positive which I'm holding, and this is the negative. You can see negative. Ever positive has bright colors, so negative has dull colors. Though you don't see the signs, you can use the colors. Thanks for listening to me.
That's awesome.